Alright guys, I got this package in the mail from Kevin Robinson, and I know that it's something that he made in his forge and that it's some kind of a hook, but I have absolutely no idea what it looks like or anything like that. He wouldn't tell me before he sent it. He wanted me to see it for the first time when I opened it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box and let's see what we got inside. Got some fire starter. Wow. Check that out. Here's my hook, and this is the artwork. This is going to be my mascot. Yeah. See if I can get it. This isn't meant to stand up. It's meant to be hung on the wall. So Kevin, he made this for me to hang my charcuterie board on, but I don't know. Maybe I'll use it for that, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll be a little selfish and I'll put it in my office or put it in my garage or my shop area to hang some of my own stuff on. I'm going to think on that for a little bit. So there we are, man. Looks like I'm breaking something over my knee or bending it. Or Spike is. There we go. That's pretty cool. I like it. So I remember in a conversation that I was having with Kevin, we were talking about golf. And I told him that I used to golf a little bit back in the day, but I was horrible at it. So I think he's probably got me getting mad at one of my shots and breaking my golf club. That's what I think it is. What do you guys think? Let me know. Don't tell anybody, Kevin. Let a few people guess first, and then you can tell us. See if I'm right or if they're right. I can see the whole thing. And I'm gonna hang that thing up in my shop. I was considering using it for the serving board, but I'm going to use it for myself. And I'm going to hang it up over here on the side of my shelving unit that I built in my garage. So I've got a perfect spot right there, and I'm going to use it to hang my ladder from. So let me get to that. Using the same trick of painting some screws. So I'm just going to wait for those to dry, and then I'm going to use them to mount my new mascot up on the wall. Okay, so the original hole wasn't quite large enough for me to use the screws that I want to use, so I'm boring them out to be a little bit bigger. All right, there we go. Got it all mounted. Yeah, that thing is solid as a rock. Let's see if the ladder fits. Just like a glove. Let's back up, get a better look. That's my favorite ladder. And I've never had a place to hang it. So now I do. I like it. Really appreciate it, Kevin. That's awesome. See how those black screws look. Can't even see them. So I just wanted to do a quick video on the package that I got in the mail from Kevin Robinson. And I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. Go over and check that out. I'm sure you guys have already checked out his channel. We do a lot of stuff back and forth. So that's all I got for this week, or for today anyway. So I'll talk to you guys later.